Today I'm going to show you a genius travel hack that involves a sweatshirt or a sweater. By the way, do you know that you can travel with a giant pillow? You can actually have two personal items. Yes, you can. No need to buy one of these really cool neck pillows. It is nice. And no need to buy something like this. Nice. You can put it on your suitcase. You can clip this on your backpack, luggage, or whatever. It also opens up into a nice, beautiful blanket that you can see here. No, you do not need this stuff. If you like cute accessories, I will link this in the description box below. But all you're gonna need for this genius trick is, again, your sweatshirt. I'm gonna go ahead and lay this out. I cannot believe that I did not know this sooner. Lay out your sweatshirt or your sweater. You're gonna take the bottom and you're gonna fold it up just like so. And then you're gonna take one sleeve and tuck it over. You're gonna take the other sleeve and tuck it over. Here I like to do a nice, tight roll. And grab yourself a hairband or a rubber band for the next step. Now take your massive Tootsie Roll, wrap it around your neck, and then you're just gonna take your rubber band, your hairband, and you are going to tie it just like so. Look at this, my friend. This is absolutely genius. That way, if you fall asleep, you're not gonna get a kink in your neck. You can sleep soundly on the airplane. If you wanna see some more genius hacks when it comes to folding, click the video on screen now. Thumbs up, subscribe, and I will see you, my friend, in the next one.